working with 18-volt batteries?
Great news, because now we have our 18-volt line laser for you. Hi, I'm Sabrina.
I'm Roland.
And today we present to you our new line laser GLL 18V 120-33 CG. As you can see, it projects 3 times 360-degree green laser lines.
Used for many leveling applications, as for example, setting up a drywall, for flooring, or for aligning sockets and switches.
You can work with it up to 35 meters, and with a receiver even up to 120 meters.
And the 120 meters is from the tool to the receiver.
Our GLL means professional line laser, 18-volt batteries, 120 meters for the working range. It's our 3rd generation. It projects 3 lines. C is for connected, because you can work with the app, and G for green laser lines. Our 18-volt line laser works with the concept of triple power source that gives you the highest flexibility in your everyday work. And that means, besides the 18-volt battery, you can also work with the 12-volt battery and respective adapter, or you can use the standard alkaline C batteries, also with the suitable adapter.
In the scope of delivery, we use always our ProCORE 18-volt with 4 ampere hours, but of course, all our standard batteries, GBA 18-volt Professional, fits as well in the line laser. Now I want to show you the change from 18-volt to a 12-volt. It means I just remove the 18-volt battery. I take the adapter for 12-volt, put in the battery, and ready to change to the alkaline adapter. Just remove first the 12-volt battery, then removing the adapter and putting in the adapter for alkaline.
And the exact adapter names you can find under this video in the description.
For an easy handling, I have a vertical on and off switch. When I switch it on, I have automatically my horizontal line and additionally a laser receiver mode activated so that I can start with my laser receiver LR7.
Also here in the front, you can see our corner keypad where you can individually select each laser line depending what you need for your leveling application.
And then we have an energy saving mode, which is the button here below. When I press it, the line is getting dim and I have an extra 40% runtime.
Since this tool is connected, we also have our Bluetooth button here. Once I activate this, I can use the leveling remote app for a hands-free control of the laser lines, for example. Let's say our tool is out of reach, you're doing a suspended ceiling, you want to turn the lines on or off, you can simply do this with the app. You can see it directly here. We have the operating modes, so exactly the same as on the tool. You can select each laser line that you need to turn on and off. You can also have a standby mode. If you go back to the screen, you also get the standby deactivated, and then you can have the energy saving on or off. Exactly the same as you can do it on the tool. But here, again, when it's out of reach, this is very convenient. The GLL 18V 120-33 CG belongs to our durable and robust line lasers. And you can already see it in the appearance because it has a rubber-enforced housing, and also the metal turrets have the rubber around, which is very convenient also for the protection of the laser glasses that are already recessed, but now even better protected towards shocks.
The tool itself is IP rated 6.5. That means it is dust tight and protected against water.
You can also see here we have an integrated rotation mount with strong magnets at the back and also a screw hole for easier attachment of the tool, for example, to walls or metal surfaces. Also, this is permanently fixed to the tool, which is a good benefit because you don't have to invest in additional accessories.
Another big benefit is the pivot fine adjustment here. For vertical lines, I first switch on the laser, then I adjust the vertical line, and then I turn now on this little adjustment wheel and I put my finger here on the cross. Then you see, when I adjusting the lines, the cross is always at the same position, which is a very big advantage.
In the scope of supply, you can also find our ceiling clip DK20, which can be mounted either by the clamp or, if you turn it around, simply with the screw hole, so it can be fixed to the wall directly.
And I just demonstrated to you. Just take the laser and then clamp it to it, and then you can turn here on the wheel, on the adjustment wheel, and adjust it to the height as you need for your application.
At the bottom of the mount, you also find the tripod threads with 1/4 and 5/8 inch, so you can easily mount your line laser to one of our tripods. We have already prepared this here for you. So this is the BT250, which we recommend in usage with the line laser because of its stability.
Yes, and so you can very easily adjust the height. And additional, the slope, which I adjusted already in advance. When I switch on the laser, you see the slope here in the back, for example, for a stair rail. And you see the blinking, so every 5 seconds, which means it is at the moment not self-leveled.
So really this tool is one of our all-rounders. With the 360-degree laser lines, you're set up for your everyday working for all different leveling applications.